All right, let's dive into a topic that plagues so many of us modern folks: neck pain and cervical problems. You know, it's funny, we often think our neck is just this stationary pole that holds up our heads, right? But it's so much more than that. The cervical spine consists of 7 vertebrae, from C1 to C7, and they're not just there for support. They allow all kinds of motion flexion, extension, rotation, and even lateral bending. Plus, they protect our spinal cord and the nerve roots that trigger movement in our arms, like when we go to grab that slice of pizza.
So it's like, that's why when you look down at your phone a lot, it can really mess you up?
Exactly, you've hit the nail on the head. And speaking of phones, poor posture can lead to muscle strains or tension. You might be sitting there, hunched over, and suddenly you're on the path to neck pain. It's a slippery slope. One moment, you're binging your favorite show, and the next, you're regretting every episode as you lean in. Not to mention things like cervical spondylosis, which is basically wear and tear on your spine as we age.
Whoa, wait, so is that like when your neck gets creaky? Kind of like an old door?
Haha, yes. That's a great analogy. Just like an old door, it doesn't move smoothly anymore. And then there's nerve root compression, which can happen if a disc herniates or if bony growths form. It's like when a big tree branch falls and blocks a path. You just can't move the way you used to.
Oh man, that sounds painful. But how do you know if it's serious? Like, what are the signs and symptoms to watch for?
Good question. Signs include stiffness and a limited range of motion. Think about trying to turn your head to check your blind spot while driving, but your neck feels like it's in a vise. You might experience pain radiating to your shoulders or arms too. What's wild is muscle spasms and tenderness can sometimes feel like you're carrying the weight of the world. Literally, even headaches or dizziness can creep in, leading to a whole new set of inconveniences.
Wow, okay, and here I thought if my neck was tight, it just needed a good stretch. But what about posture? Like, I've heard neutral spine, tossed around a lot. What does that even mean?
The neutral spine is key. Imagine a straight line, right? Your ears should align over your shoulders, like a perfectly stacked Jenga tower. It's essential to maintain that alignment while sitting, standing, or even sleeping. Adjusting your workstation ergonomics can be a game changer. You can avoid neck strain just by making small tweaks, like screen height or chair support.
Getting a better chair definitely sounds like a solid investment. But, what if someone is already in pain? Like, what kind of therapeutic exercises should they do?
Absolutely. If you're feeling tightness or limited mobility, there are some fantastic exercises you can do. Start with slow neck rotations, gentle lateral stretches, and those chin tucks to fix posture. But, and here's the kicker, if a nerve is involved, you might want gentle nerve gliding techniques, which are super cool. Think of them as a gentle stretch for the nerves themselves.
That's, so fascinating. I had no idea there were exercises just for neck nerves. What about physiotherapy? What role does it play? Like, when should someone seek that out?
Great insight. A physiotherapist can provide manual therapy, which is basically hands-on treatment. Imagine having a personal mechanic for your body, right? They can assess your condition, provide pain relief, and guide you through corrective exercises. If your neck pain is severe or doesn't improve, those are definitely signs to get professional help, especially if you're experiencing neurological symptoms.
Wow, so the neck is like the gateway to everything else in our upper body?
Exactly. If we don't take care of our neck, it not only impacts our movement, but can affect our overall quality of life. So let's not underestimate the power of good neck health. It's all connected, just like a well-orchestrated symphony. Each part plays a role.
That's a cool way to put it. It's like our body is the ultimate team player, and the neck is the captain, right?